Hi guys, today we're going to be filming in the Ganache chocolate factory.
We'll tell you how we make chocolate.
First we have to get ready.
You sanitize your hands.
Then you wear a white t-shirt and a white cooking hat.
Be ready and start wearing your shirts.
Wear your hats now. Choose your molds to start working on it. We have 5 different colored cups.
So, this is white chocolate mixed with food coloring.
We heat it up to 27 degrees.
To get out, as you can see it now in this corner. Now we will start coloring the mold.
Yes. Do not put too much on the molds
or the chocolate will be ruined. Also, this white chocolate mix of food coloring is eatable. I'm gonna take my favorite color.
As it is as white chocolate, you can taste it.
And the best thing about it is you can taste it while coloring in. Now we're gonna put the molds in the freezer for 2 minutes.
To let it ready to add chocolate on the top.
In the meanwhile, we're gonna explain more about chocolate.
The chocolate needs a special weather.
It needs hot weather with lots of rain.
You cannot find this in Cairo.
There are specific countries where chocolates grow. This is the region where chocolates can be found. It's called the equator.
For example, in Senegal, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon,
Where we can plant the cabos is in the equator.
the tree of cabos needs to grow 3 to 5 years.
When they open this huge bean, as you can see in this chart,
They can extract small beans, and you can see here.
that is called cocoa.
I don't advise you to try eating it.
It is 100% dark chocolate.
It has a bitter taste.
If you like dark chocolate,
You will definitely enjoy it.
if you like the chocolate milk or the sweet chocolate, then don't eat it.
They collect all these beans
As you can see, they are putting it in bags. They send these bags to Europe,
to the countries famous in making chocolates.
like Belgium, France. So they put it in the microwave to make it a little bit crispy. Then they put it in a huge machine called the conch
It stays inside for 3 to 4 days.
till they get the cacao and the cacao butter. This step is very important.
because this step helps us decide if it's very expensive or not very expensive chocolate.
So as long as you put it in the machine,
The more expensive it becomes.
sometimes you can put it 2 to 3 hours only, and then you get cheap chocolate.
After you have the chocolate butter and the cocoa,
You need vanilla, sugar, and powdered milk.